Growing up with his eyes glued to automotive magazines, as so many of us did, Ramiro Ramirez knew he wanted a career dealing with high-performance engines. Inspired by Sonny Leonard of Sonny's Racing Engines, Andy Jensen of Jensen's Engine Technologies, and Steve Morris of Steve Morris Engines, Ramiro began his journey to becoming an engine builder. Today, his business, Fatboys Racing Engines, located in Monterrey, Nuevo Leon, Mexico, has been building engines for 16 years. With a focus on naturally aspirated engines and nitrous engines, Fatboys recently started to offer forced induction builds as well. The shop's engine builds are most commonly used for street strip, drag racing, and sand drag applications. One of the shop's engine builds is this 502 cubic inch LS engine for a street strip application that the shop put into a 2010 Chevy Silverado single cab truck. And we're giving you the details in this episode of Engine of the Week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pengrade. Precision, performance, Pengrade. Always the original green oil. L-Ring DOS Original. Leading technology, leading service. And Scat Crankshafts. Everything for your LS engine.
Hey everyone, I'm Greg Jones for Engine Builder, and today we're taking a look at a 502 cubic inch LS build done by Fatboys Racing Engines. The engine build started with an RHS aluminum tall deck block that features a 170 bore and a 4.6 inch stroke. The cylinder heads are masked black label 305s, and to fill in the rest of the build, Fatboys Racing Engines used a Jessel valve train, a solid roller cam motion camshaft with low lash, a Marcella manifolds intake, a Nick Williams 112mm throttle body, a billet crankshaft, I-beam connecting rods, Wiseco coated pistons, Clevite coated main and rod bearings, a Melling high pressure oil pump, ARP hardware, an ATI super damper, fuel injector clinic injectors, and to top it all off, bow tie valve covers. According to Ramiro, the modifications that impacted this build the most were the camshaft by Cam Motion and the cylinder heads, which got ported and polished by Greg Good. With the engine all buttoned up, Fatboys Racing Engines says the final product boasts a 12.5 to 1 compression ratio and cranks out 870 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque at 7,100 RPMs. The LS and its Chevy Silverado are now ready for a fun day at the track. Well, that does it for this episode of Engine of the Week. Thanks to our sponsors Pengrade, L-Ring, and Scat Crankshafts. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you have an engine that you'd like to feature, please email me at gjones@babcox.com. See you all next time.